Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is going to be about me taking you into the forest and trying to find a tree branch so that I could make a tree branch candelabra. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, I'm trying to find a tree branch. Not too big, but something that will suffice making a tree branch candelabra. So here I am in this wooded area, so I'm trying to find it on the ground. Wish me luck. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very great, modern, quick and easy way to decorate for Christmas using 3 glass vases or jars in different sizes. And all you need to do is separate your colors, your favorite colors, and you add them to the vases or the jars, and you'll see what a beautiful visual impact they make. So here's mine. I chose red and silver. And this apothecary jar also contains some red ornaments, which I thought were very festive, and it looks modern. You see how pretty they look? I think so. So go ahead, give it a try. I mean, you can choose any color you like. I chose red and silver because I thought it was really a festive color, and I think it looks pretty modern too. So go ahead, have fun with it. It's quick, easy, and simple. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.